Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open the hood on an Infiniti G35. First, locate the primary hood release lever inside the vehicle. This lever is usually found on the driver's side, often positioned near the lower left dashboard or the kick panel. Pull this lever firmly towards you to disengage the first latch mechanism. You should hear a distinct click as it releases, indicating the hood has popped slightly open. Once the primary latch is released, walk to the front of your Infiniti G35. The hood will be slightly ajar, allowing you to access the secondary safety latch. This crucial mechanism prevents the hood from flying open unexpectedly. Feel along the underside of the hood's front edge, typically near the center or slightly to one side, to find a small lever or tab. Push or pull this lever to fully disengage the secondary lock. With both latches disengaged, you can now lift the hood completely open. Be mindful of its weight and lift it steadily. Once fully open, locate the prop rod. This rod is typically attached to the underside of the hood itself or sometimes near the engine bay. Extend the prop rod and securely insert its end into the designated hole or slot in the engine bay. This ensures the hood remains safely open while you work. To close the hood, first carefully remove the prop rod from its support hole. Reattach it securely to its storage clip to prevent rattling. Then, gently lower the hood until it is about 1 foot or 30 centimeters above the closed position. Do not drop it from a high distance. Finally, apply firm, even pressure with both hands to the center of the hood until you hear both latches click into place, ensuring it is fully secured.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.